Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So XRP is currently forming here this potential ABC correction. Yeah, it's showing a slight buy reaction in the support area just in the area of the previous swing low here of the 14th of July, which I'm currently counting as an A wave low. Then we had a B wave top and the C wave here to the downside might be finished, and if it now within, I would say, the next 24 hours shows some impressive upside into the direction of the previous B wave top of around 85 cents, I would say that there is a good chance this wave 4 low is in now. But if it comes down lower, 66 cents is support, and a break below that would make us favor that we're already in the circle wave 4. We discussed that in previous videos. The support areas haven't changed for many days anyway since we moved into this pattern. There have been these two scenarios on the chart. The primary scenario, because that's the more imminent one, is that we have one more chance that we have a chance for one more high here in a wave 5 of C of circle wave 3 before we go down in wave 4, before we move higher in a wave 5, which would be the bullish scenario. However, if we break below the 66 cent level, I cannot defend anymore the idea that this is a wave 4. We would then need to move more directly into the larger degree fourth wave, and support would then be at 62.3 cents and 56.5, which means that, again, if we now show more upside, or if we now see more upside in the next 24 hours, I think we have a good case that we could make that this fifth wave is unfolding with first resistance at around 85.5 cents and then 95, which is the third wave high, but a break below that level followed by a break below 66 cents would lead to a drop into the orange support area. So as you will see, we've got two support areas that are overlapping. That is sometimes the case because it depends on what wave degree we're talking about. If the imminent support area fails, the deeper one will become relevant. If I trade stuff like that, and I'm not trading XRP at the moment, it's a bit too risky, I find. Also a little bit too choppy and a little bit too, reward to risk isn't amazing here. Even for this fifth wave to the upside, I don't find it amazing, this reward to risk ratio, because it's a little unclear how high do we actually go. We've got 95 cents, but then 130. Do we really go to 130? It sounds a bit over the top. I don't really believe it, but hey, it can happen as long as we're holding 66 cents anyway. But the thing is that sometimes you have overlapping support areas, and if I trade stuff like that, I would always use the lower one to measure my position size, because otherwise it could just be stopped out and it can still rally because you put a stop loss within the other support area. So either way, the situation is quite clear. I think we've got these two pivot points, 66 cents. Below that level, we're morphing into circle wave 4, which is the higher degree fourth wave. And then below 56.5 cents, I don't have any clear upside scenario anymore. And we could see lows in the direction around 45 cents, but really only if the 56.5 cent level breaks and price sustains below that level. What else could happen? I'm tracking here an ABC structure, but this could also become a triangle due to the fact that it made a lower high and another higher low. A triangle count is a 5-wave move. It wouldn't make a great difference, but just that you have seen it. So the idea could be that the fourth wave actually unfolds as an Elliott wave triangle with an A wave down, a B wave up, a C wave down, but it would not be allowed basically to go below the A wave low, so not below 67 cents. Then we could get a D wave with a lower high and an E wave with a higher low, and that could be the end of the fourth wave, and then it could go off, but that is speculative. I don't have enough waves yet to confirm a triangle. So from that point of view, not too much has changed over the last few days. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.